welcome to our show In Our Teens. In Our Teens, एक ऐसा शो जहाँ पेरेंट्स, टीनेजर्स और प्रोफेशनल्स आते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं and they help us understand this remarkable journey that our teenagers have towards adolescence. जिस तरह टीनेजर्स को अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए पेरेंट्स के लव और सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, बिल्कुल उसी तरह हमें भी हमारी टीम को आपके लव और सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ट्विन टीनेज पेरेंटिंग. आई नो, जब हमें ये न्यूज़ मिलती है कि देयर आर 2 हार्ट बीट्स इन अ वूम, इट फिल्स अस विद जॉय एंड एक्साइटमेंट. लेकिन इसके साथ एक रियलिटी ये भी है कि ट्विन पेरेंटिंग इज मल्टीफोल्ड ऑफ जॉयज एंड चैलेंजेस. कभी कभी ये पेरेंट्स के लिए काफ़ी फिजिकली और मेंटली एग्जॉस्टिंग हो जाता है. टीनेज फेज में बच्चे अपनी स्पेशल आइडेंटिटी बनाना चाहते हैं और इस फेज में पेरेंट्स के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि वो अपना और अपने बच्चों का एक साइकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस बनाकर चले. इन माई चेयर टुडे इज़ अ ट्विन टीनेज पेरेंट. आई नो, एक टीनेज को संभालना मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो ट्विन टीनेजर्स, आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि ये महिला काफ़ी हैसल्ड होंगी, इनके बाल बिखरे होंगे, ये मिक्स मैच करके कुर्ता दुपट्टा पहनती होंगी. बिल्कुल नहीं. आज जब आप इन्हें देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये इतनी काम कैसे हो सकती है. इतने स्ट्रेस में अपने आप को काम रख के, सही डिसीजन लेके, बच्चों को काम रख के ये कैसे मैनेज करती हैं. सो इन माई चेयर, वेलकम मिसेस जिगीशा दत्तानी, the most serene, calm and pristine lady that I have ever met. Hi Jigisha and welcome to our show.
Hello.
Thank you for coming here and we are just waiting कि आप हमें कुछ एक मज़ेदार एक्सपीरियंसेस सुनाएं आपके ट्विन टीनेजर्स के साथ, क्योंकि हम हमेशा हमारे चेयर में जो भी पेरेंट्स आए हैं अभी तक, उनके 1 बेबी हैं एंड दे आर फेसिंग सो मेनी चैलेंजेस. तो जब हमने आपके बारे में सुना तो हम ये सोच रहे थे कि जब 1 बेबी होता है तो हम इतना बोलते हैं, अरे मेरा बच्चा टीनेजर हो गया, इतने चैलेंजेस हैं, बात नहीं मान रही. सो आप बताएं, आपने कैसे आप अपने आप को इतना काम और सीरीन रखती हैं हर सिचुएशन में.
First thing, thank you for inviting me on the show. I'm really glad. Another thing is that conceiving, pregnancy, everything is like so difficult whenever I still think of. But when I came to know about twins, I was like shocked because getting kids, conceiving is a big thing, and
Yes.
having twins was like super. I mean, it was like I was in another world. First thing, I was just thinking what will happen, how will they stay inside the stomach together, because I always see the pregnant ladies and it's like so tough. So that was a process which I think I gradually passed through, and after they were born it was like isko dekho ki isko dekho, and every time it would be like same thing, from susu and feeding and
All at the same time.
everything at the same time, and somewhere they both would do the same thing, same actions. So it was a little tough in the beginning, but then gradually, as you say, you get used to that.
You programmed yourself around it.
Yes, the schedule was fixed, and then it was like a fun-loving thing कि twins हैं, हो जाएगा. And mummy always used to say कि भगवान एक power देता है, strength देता है the minute you have twins.
Yes.
So
yes.
that was the entire journey of that childhood. The memories are still fresh.
This is so nice to hear, Jigisha. In fact, आप जब ये explain कर रही हैं, आपकी I'm sure इसमें काफ़ी challenges आए होंगे आपको, लेकिन आप जितने काम तरीके से इसको explain कर रही हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है कि twins होना is absolutely calming.
I think when you only behave like a baby, you only feel that you are a child yourself, that process becomes very smooth.
Correct.
From feeding to changing the nappies to changing the clothes. I think if you get your self very cool, everything happens like in a cool flow. Or else you feel, I think, overburdened, कैसे manage होगा, कैसे ये सब होगा. But I think it was a very, very fantastic process.
जिगिशा, most of the times कुछ mothers ऐसी होती हैं कि post delivery वो ये उनके लिए overwhelming हो जाता है, emotionally वो अपने आप को contain नहीं कर पाती, मतलब सब कुछ नया होता है. तो कभी कभी थोड़ा डिप्रेशन हो जाता है उन्हें. डिड यू एक्सपीरियंस एनी ऑफ, बिकॉज विद 2 किड्स एक नया पैटर्न, एक नया रूटीन, तो आपको कभी ऐसे लगा कि बस अब मैं टूटी जाऊंगी, अब नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ऐसे फेज आते हैं.
Yeah, very true. Very true. But I think when it was their upbringing, the entire process which I was mentioning is like every time, every minute you are so occupied that depression zone doesn't come into you.
Okay.
Yeah, you do get tired, you do get exhausted, but I think when your husband and your family is together, it becomes a very big support system.
Yes.
So the process becomes very easy, and I think they are so naughty ever since they were born. Every time they are doing something or the other thing. So rather than depression, I think it's a task. Ki how are you going to face the situation, or how are you going to keep everything intact?
Yes.
So-
No, support system at home really matters.
Yes, very
I
true.
think हर जैसे हम बता रहे हैं कि टीनेजर्स का जो फेज होता है, टीनेज फेज, उसे सेल्फ रेगुलेट करने के लिए या उन्हें बताने के लिए कि दिस इज ओके, आई थिंक एक घर से एक अच्छी सपोर्ट सिस्टम बहुत जरूरी है.
Very true.
Similarly for us also, when we are going through a transition phase, जैसे हम एक माँ बनना एक नया फेज होता है हर लेडी के लिए, तो आई थिंक उसमें फैमिली का सपोर्ट सिस्टम बहुत मैटर करता है, जिसमें द मोमेंट यू फील सिक्योर, आई थिंक यू आर रेडी टू टेक ऑन द वर्ल्ड.
Yes, yes. And I think when we observe our mother, how they have brought us up, and even when we are observing other mothers or our grandparents, it becomes very easy to understand that coolness, that calmness automatically comes into us. That this is the way we should take care, this is the way we should face the situation. Like many times they are fighting, or we are not able to control the situation. Like suppose they are not well, they are sick.
Yes.
That is the main trauma.
Yeah.
Which we go through. The child is crying, since they are twins, both of them crying together. That pressure, it is definitely there. But as I said, when husband, mommy, daddy, when the family is together, everybody is somewhere guiding you, taking care of things, yes,
giving you a breather, giving you
yes,
that time
yes.
to be alone for a while.
So we
I
are
think that
also
really
resting
matters.
at a time, we
Yeah.
are also taking care. So it becomes very smooth, to handle the situation.
So Jikisha, when you had Krisha and Kahan, you were not working, you were a homemaker.
Yeah,
But today you are a teacher.
yeah.
तो कृषा और कहान ऐसे कौन से फेज में थे जहाँ पर उन्हें देखकर आपको ऐसे लगा कि अब बच्चे सेटल्ड हैं, अब मुझे अपना कुछ करना है?
To be very honest, what used to happen was I was handling them as twin mother, and I had other friends who were handling only single child.
Yes.
And complaining about things.
Yeah.
And I was enjoying because they were so naughty. They would come up with new things, like putting all the masalas together, so that helping me definitely कि मम्मी को एक ही चीज डालनी है while cooking. But here it is like
I love how you take it positively. लेकिन हमारा बच्चा अगर मिक्स करके रखेगा तो हम ऐसे करेंगे कि अरे क्यों मिक्स किया? But आपने, I think you're a problem, क्या बोलते हैं, solution निकालते हैं आप हर problem का.
yes,
Jikisha.
because I think that is the way it should be, or else what you mentioned, like going into depression is very easy.
Yes.
But when we take it in a fun way, or we try to see positive things in anything, whether it's a naughty thing done by them or some mischief which is really big. I remember still, it's fresh in my memory, when they had taken all the clothes from entire house and soaked it in soap so that I don't wash the clothes every day. So instead of getting angry, I was literally crying that how much they care for
you.
me.
Yes.
So when I used to hear stories from my other friends, I would be like, after a while, when I feel that they are really on their own, I'll definitely get into teaching so that I can handle the students or other kids, the way I want, the way I have brought them up.
Correct.
And after a point, I think I started phonic. Then I started taking summer camps like drawing, craft, etc. And then gradually everybody was so happy, ma'am, आप इनका ट्यूशन ले लो या आप इनको पूरा सब पढ़ाओ, it's very difficult, how do you take it? I was like, if you keep a target कि my child should come in that first, second, third race, you're not going to survive. So then you're putting pressure on your kids. And here it is bringing them up happily rather than putting pressure on them. And I don't think we should ever do that, because after a while, when they are successful, there is one zone when they sometimes get into depression.
Yes,
We
yes,
should also teach them failure.
yes.
कि गिर के उठोगे तो ही you will be able to survive in this world,
Yeah.
or else it's very very tough. And that's what got me actually into teaching. So
Okay.
all thanks to my kids.
Oh. This is actually, sometimes kids say that, we look at mom and we felt inspired. But Jigisha, you are such a positive soul to see positivity in everything, which is actually the need of the hour. हम हर चीज को ऐसे कट कट के हिसाब से लेते हैं तो पूरा नेगेटिविटी फील हो जाती है.
Yeah, true.
बट ये जो है कि हर चीज में एक अच्छाई को ढूंढना, I think this is really something that's a takeaway for us today.
Now, for me, my kids are my inspiration. Every positive and everything good in my house is because of them.
Yes. I mean, अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे सुन के, क्योंकि most of the times हम मदर्स ये सुनते हैं, बच्चे हो गए, फिर I took a sabbatical from my career. पर यहाँ आप है कि आप बोल रहे हैं कि दोनों बच्चों को देख के मैं इंस्पायर हुई और मुझे लगा कि मुझे और बच्चों को सिखाना चाहिए, उनके साथ बॉन्डिंग करनी चाहिए. So this is truly remarkable. So Jigisha, now that you are interacting with various kids, of different temperament हो गया, different upbringing हो गया. So what is the pluses and the minuses that you see in today's kids?
Today's kids, I feel, are more into pressure. They are more into competition. कि इसको इतना आया या इसके पास यह चीज़ है, या they are having this kind of a lifestyle. Why not me? That time they don't see might be what the parents are having or what kind of life they want.
Yes.
Rather than what we want now, they're looking in others' life.
Correct.
कि इसके पास ये है. Basically might be the gadgets or the comparison between the two kids or children might be is a reason for that. But I think we should always teach them that be happy with what you have, rather than comparing and looking out for more things. कि यहाँ पे जाना है या ये चीज़ मुझे खरीद के चाहिए, I want this kind of a gadget. But I think this also starts with the parents, because somewhere हर fruit का, हर flower का एक root, एक seed होता है.
Correct.
So when we start comparing कि इसको तो इतने marks आए, ये तो इतना अच्छा डांस कर रहा है, you are not dancing.
Correct.
Like if I compare my kids, Krisha, my daughter, is very very interactive, bubbly. And my son Kahan, he is a very quiet, shy child. Now there is nowhere we can compare, because every individual has an identity.
Yes. Their own individuality.
Yes, this is what we need to understand. If we as parents understand this, I don't think that kids will any time get that kind of a thing into them. Whether it is comparison or whether it is feeling inferior कि इसके पास ये है, मेरे पास ये नहीं है. Same goes with the marks.
Yeah.
Or with the studies. If we understand that pattern, they will also enjoy their education. They will literally be educated.
Yeah.
Rather than just getting into that race कि मुझे ये पढ़ के rod learning करके I have to score this much, or else my parents will not be happy, or what will others think. This others thinking is too much, I think, affecting today's kids or today's generation.
पर जिगिशा, मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर हम ब्रॉडर सेंस में देखा जाए तो पेरेंट्स की भी ऑफ कोर्स किसी पे प्रेशर डालना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है उस पर्सन के लिए कि वो उभर सके किसी भी तरीके से. लेकिन अगर पेरेंट्स के इस सिचुएशन में रहकर अगर हम देखें तो कंपटीशन आजकल इतना बढ़ गया है दैट यू हैव नो अदर चॉइस बट टू एक्सेल. I mean, अगर आपको अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे तो आप अच्छे कॉलेज में जाएंगे तो आप अच्छा कुछ करियर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि द बेस आजकल हर चीज़ का बेस कंपटीशन हो गया है. सो कहीं ना कहीं वी आर ऑल इन दैट सिस्टम कि अगर हम नहीं भी चाहे और अपनी एक पेरेंट्स की इंडिविजुअलिटी मेंटेन करना चाहें कि नहीं मैं अपने बच्चे को प्रेशराइज नहीं करूँगी, तुझे जो पढ़ना है पढ़, लेकिन एक पॉइंट के बाद जब हम समाज में उतरते हैं अपने बच्चे के साथ तो हम तो कंपटीशन के बीच ही हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है ये बैलेंस एक अपना ढूंढना, अपने बच्चे की इंडिविजुअलिटी को ध्यान में रखते हुए, अपने चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए, आई थिंक आप बेटर समझा पाएंगे. आप आई नो आप समझ गई हैं मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ.
Yeah, true, very true. Because if we give so much of liberty, as you said, तो क्या होगा कि वो अपनी तरह से जिंदगी जिएंगे.
Yes.
And they will not understand the difference.
Yes.
There comes the role of the parent that we create that awareness.
Yes, yes.
कि उनको सच क्या, गलत क्या, उनको choice दो, let them understand, and wherever they are wrong, definitely we should be there to make them understand.
Yes.
Exams, and many times I've observed that parents are not there with the kids.
They are not.
There might be, definitely.
They are busy, yes.
I respect the profession in
Yes.
whichever the parents are, but एक particular time होता है जो give it to your kids,
Yeah.
so that they understand the difference between that good and bad, and let them flow in one particular way which is correct for them,
Yes.
where they are happy. Today I think that happiness needs to be there in the
Cultivated.
child. Yes, yes.
और जिगिशा एक एक कुछ फेज होते हैं लाइफ के जो आपको बच्चों के साथ तभी रहना चाहिए, उनमें काफ़ी बदलाव चेंजेस होते रहते हैं, जैसे एट 11-12 पहले प्यूबर्टी यूज्ड टू बी एट 14-15, टुडे प्यूबर्टी इज एट 11-12.
Yeah.
उनमें काफ़ी फिजिकल चेंजेस होते रहते हैं, तो आई थिंक उन्हें खुद नहीं पता होता कि उन्हें क्या हो रहा है. आई थिंक वो टाइम पे पेरेंट्स का अपने बच्चों के साथ रहना, उनके टेम्परमेंट को समझना, क्योंकि सडनली बच्चे चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं, थोड़े डिस्टेंट हो जाते हैं, माँ बाप के साथ बात नहीं करना चाहते. लेकिन उस फेज में अगर माँ बाप नहीं होंगे बच्चों के साथ, तो बच्चों को ये सारी चेंजेस को असिमिलेट करके ज़िंदगी आगे बढ़ाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. मैंने बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को देखा है कि वो सोचते हैं कि अभी नहीं, अभी 11 साल का है ना, अभी 13 हो जाएगा ना तो मैं सब बात करूँगी, नहीं फिर 13 आ जाती है तो बोलते हैं मैं 15 होगा ना तब बात करूँगी. और ऐसे क्योंकि सेक्स एजुकेशन के बारे में बच्चों से बात करना, इसका कौन सा एज ग्रुप है, या ये बात हम बच्चों के साथ कैसे इनिशिएट करें, उनसे उन्हें कैसे बताएं, आई थिंक ये सोच में ना हम काफ़ी टाइम गवा देते हैं और फिर बच्चे अलग चैनल से गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन उठा लेते हैं. इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
It's like अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं.
Yes.
So
yes.
it is the way कि we should always be with them और उनको एक करेक्ट टाइम पे बता दो, not waiting for 12, 13, 14,
Yes,
15,
yes.
because today's generation is more aware and around about situation because of the gadget.
Yes.
तो जैसे आपने बताया कि अगर वो बाहर से कुछ गलत सीख लेते हैं, it will be somewhere a pressure on the parents only.
Yes.
So इससे अच्छा है कि पहले ही हर एक चीज के बारे में knowledge in any way is beautiful.
Yes.
So making them aware about everything in a proper way is always good, ताकि वो गलत ना सीखे, गलत नॉलेज ना ले ले, या अपने एक ग्रुप सर्कल या फ्रेंड से गलत तरीके से इंटरैक्ट करके एक अलग जोन में ना चले जाए, बिकॉज देन इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट देम बैक.
करेक्ट इट इज. फिर
Yes.
वापस उनके साथ वो
Yes.
कनेक्शन बनाना बहुत
डिफिकल्ट
डिफिकल्ट.
हो जाता है.
तब तक दे हैव ऑलरेडी
Yeah.
ड्रिफ्टेड अवे.
Yeah, so it is first thing, as I always say to everybody, कि उनके साथ रहो. That is the way we can interact and be friends with them. What is friends? कि कभी भी जब भी हम मिले, we should be having the same bonding, the same
Yes,
understanding.
yes.
Difference of opinion.
अनसेड बॉन्डिंग थी
Yes,
कि मतलब
yes,
यहाँ हम
yes.
सोचे तो बच्चों को पता चल जाता है कि
Yes.
that's the tuning you need to maintain with
Yeah,
your kids.
because difference of opinion तो सबके
Yes,
रहते हैं.
yes.
Whether it is with our kids or parents or friends.
or at workplace.
Of course, yes.
So yeah.
But that bonding and understanding plays the major role.
दीक्षा, आपने बॉन्डिंग के बारे में बात कही तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी. बॉलीवुड ने हमें बिगाड़ दिया है कि ट्विंस दिखा के कि इधर चिमटा लगा तो ट्विन को दूसरी जगह पता चलता है, हाँ मुझे दर्द हुआ. तो क्या ऐसा रियलिटी में होता है? आई मीन कृषा कहान में, मतलब आप ट्विंस के बारे में थोड़ा हमें बताएं, उनकी बॉन्डिंग कैसे होती है, क्या उनमें जैसे हैप्पीनेस तो है, एक दूसरे के लिए बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स तो वो है. इनफैक्ट जब मैं ट्विंस के बारे में पढ़ रही थी तो इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट मुझे ये पता चली कि ट्विंस अपने आप में वूम में 14 वीक्स के बाद इंटरैक्ट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. सो मतलब उनकी बॉन्डिंग तब से है, राइट फ्रॉम 14 वीक ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी से लेकर ऑल थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ. तो ये बॉन्डिंग कैसे है? क्या इनमें जेलसी है? क्या इनमें कंपटीशन है? क्या ये कैसे होती है ये बॉन्डिंग?
I think
क्या वो बॉलीवुड वाला सच सही है?
फर्स्ट थिंग आई सॉ दैट थिंग कि वो बॉलीवुड वाला सच होता होगा, मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है. बॉन्डिंग आई थिंक इनिशियली थी ही, because I could actually feel in my tummy that somebody is pushing the other child.
अच्छा.
So I would always feel that. So I was like, hopefully बाहर आके at least ये लड़े नहीं, happily friendly रहे. And that I could observe, because what would happen कि जैसे इसने नहीं खाया, इसने भी नहीं खाया. So when Kahan would initially, even in the childhood days, when I would give them milk or give them roti, like if Krisha is not feeling good, immediately Kahan would also stop eating. He would feel that I have eaten my food.
Oh, really?
Yeah, even in the school days, I used to face the issue that teachers would complain that आज का हमने टिफिन नहीं खाया है because Krisha ने खा के टिफिन बंद कर दिया. He opened and he saw that the tiffin is closed. So he also felt कि नहीं मुझे टिफिन बंद कर देना है.
Wow.
So that's the thing which I always feel bad about कि मतलब how to handle that.
Yeah.
But then gradually the awareness कि बेटा you have to see how much hungry you are feeling,
yes.
or you are, and both of them are definitely friendly. They bond together and they follow each other.
और झगड़ते हैं?
बहुत ज़्यादा. It's very difficult, but the best thing is like if you go and scold either of them, they unite.
Okay.
So that is the best thing that you feel अरे बाप रे आपने ये मतलब why did I go and scold him or scold her? Ultimately they are uniting and they are scolding you only कि क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा? So that would always happen even when they would fall sick. Like if one child got cold, the other was definitely sure to get it.
Okay.
So
okay.
if Kahan had fever, initially after 3 or 4 days, I was very sure that Krisha would get. So the funny part was when I go to the doctor, he's like एक काम करो आप
दोनों का
साथ में ही लेके जाओ.
Yeah. So कहीं ना कहीं बॉलीवुड थोड़ा तो सही है.
Yeah, थोड़ा तो सही है.
कृषा और कहान आप टीनेज फेज में हैं, तो क्या चेंजेस आपको उन दोनों में दिखाई दिए?
चेंजेस तो बहुत सारे थे. जैसे चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज एज आई सेड इज स्टिल फ्रेश, very fresh with me. I too get senti and emotional thinking about it, but gradually धीरे they became so big, and that teenage thing affected me because of that communication thing.
Yes.
Because they had their own opinion, I have my own opinion.
Correct.
Definitely as a mother. Then as I said, awareness and bonding and being friendly with them will definitely solve any issue or whatever things you feel are bringing that generation gap.
Yeah. Yes.
Because that generation gap is
टेक्नोलॉजी इज टेकिंग अस फार टू जनरेशंस अवे. ऐसा महसूस तो होता है.
And I think I'm still the same as I was. I would be teaching or using any gadget the way I've been using, and they have their own viewpoints.
Yes.
Today's kids,
Yes.
techno friendly. So there are times when they are teaching me in a beautiful way.
Yeah.
I think they are too quick, and comparatively they know how to use time wisely.
Yes.
So that is
time management is very important.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think there are many things that we need to learn from today's generation.
Yes.
That can actually, as we say, कि हर चीज को upgrade करना चाहिए.
Correct.
They are here to upgrade us. They are here to bring us to another level जहाँ पे हम हर एक चीज time management के साथ beautifully and stress free कर सकते हैं.
Yes. I think it has to be the right give and take, जिकीशा, कि वो हमें टेक्नोलॉजी सिखाएं और हम उन्हें कल्चर सिखाएं.
Correct. Very true.
That is
Very
what the
true.
best of two generations हम एक दूसरे को दे सकते हैं.
Yes.
Rather than कि हमारा सही था तुम्हारा सही नहीं है करके हम वो गैप ना बढ़ाएं.
Yes.
These are the two things that we can always get them together too. So Jikisha, what are your thoughts on social media and kids interaction on social media, be it Instagram हो गया, Snapchat हो गया? क्या आप are you that kind of a parent की जो अपने फ़ोन पे बच्चे का एड ऑन अकाउंट रखे ताकि पता चले कि बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, कब लॉग इन किया है, क्या पोस्ट किया है? Are you that kind of a parent, और are you a kind of a parent जिन्होंने बोला है कि भाई ये चीज़ें हैं, ये लिमिट के बाहर है, इससे तुम प्रॉब्लम में आ सकते हो, और अब आपको फेथ है बच्चों पे कि वो जो भी करेंगे सही करेंगे, और फिर भी हम इंसान हैं, हम गलतियाँ करते हैं, तो बच्चे भी गलतियाँ करेंगे. तो क्या यू आर ओके विद दिस थिंग कि ठीक है गलती होगी तो आई एम देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट, पर एक ही बार होनी चाहिए, दोबारा रिपीट नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो सोशल मीडिया को लेकर आपने कृषान कहान को कैसे रेडी किया है?
As I just mentioned that I am not a techno friendly person. So they have been teaching me technology. कैसे Insta पे I still have issues how to communicate over there. So they teach me things, whether it is social media, how to interact, how to post videos, how to post your pics, etc.
But are you the kind of a parent? I know, I realize that कि आप इतने टेक्नो फ्रेंडली नहीं है, लेकिन क्या आप अवेयर हैं कि सोशल मीडिया से कितने प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं? बच्चे इसका यूज़ तो करते हैं लेकिन मिसयूज़ शायद करके वो खुद प्रॉब्लम में आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज आज के ज़माने में सेक्सटॉर्शन हो गया, बीफ्रेंडिंग स्ट्रेंजर हो गया, बच्चे इस हद तक जाते हैं कि स्ट्रेंजर से ऑनलाइन चैट करके वो कभी उन्हें मिलने तक पहुंच जाते हैं।
Correct.
तो ये सारी चीज़ें, क्या आप एज अ पेरेंट, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट टू मच इनटू टेक्नोलॉजी, क्या आप अवेयर हैं इन चीज़ों के बारे में? क्या आपने बात किया है अपने बच्चों के साथ?
Yes, I'm definitely aware, but here I feel one thing plays a role is reading.
Yes.
So if we make our kids used to reading, they're reading newspaper, they're reading magazine or whatever they are into reading.
They should be aware.
Yes, that awareness definitely corrects you automatically.
Yes.
Like we have the technology wherein self वो auto correct सब
Yes,
कुछ हो
yes,
जाता है.
yes.
That is because of the dictionary or the vocabulary which is there.
Yes.
The
लेकिन
same thing-
vocab हमारी भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, तब हमें पता चले कि स्पेलिंग करेक्ट है।
So as parents, we should keep a watch whether they are doing things which are right or wrong for them, of course, and for us. And when it comes to them, if we make them aware कि बच्चा ये करने से गलत होने वाला है,
Yes.
because social media is like 1 minute में आप
You
फेमस
are out
भी हो
there.
सकते
Yes,
हो,
yes.
एक ही मिनट में एवरीथिंग इज खत्म.
मतलब यूज भी है, डेफिनेटली
Yes.
हैज इट्स मेरिट्स, जो हमने कोविड टाइम में देखा कि सोशल मीडिया के जरिए हम इतने लोगों से कनेक्ट कर पाए, सो उसके मेरिट्स तो हैं, पर उसके साथ ही साथ
Yes.
बुरी चीजें भी हैं, जो जैसे कि आपने कहा, अगर हम पढ़कर अवेयर रहें तो हम सेफ रह सकते हैं।
Yes. So when they know कि इसका इतना ज़्यादा misuse हो सकता है, like one pic which you post is just that you are feeling happy कि अपने friends को बताओ,
Yes.
उसी pic का public कैसे या friends कैसे misuse कर सकते हैं. And this is when they also come to know about friends which are really good and they are good to be your friends, and there are many friends who are might be not wishing or willing
Yes.
your happiness, or
Yes.
they can't see your success. So this reading or awareness really makes a big important
Impact, yes.
impact on them.
Yeah.
Another thing is that you have to be after them कि
Yeah.
गलत कर रहे हैं,
Yes.
सही कर रहे हैं, of course, yes.
कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपना जीपीएस ऑन रखना पड़ता है कि
Yes, yes. But I've always told them that honesty, every time anybody,
Yes.
you can see it in the eyes.
Yes.
So if you're honest, पता चल जाएगा. If you're not honest, आप immediately अपनी eyes चुरा लेते हो, आप you can't have that eye contact क्योंकि आपको खुद को पता है आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो. तो it is really good to be honest. आप कभी भी गलत हो ही नहीं सकते हो. But definitely if you think कि ऐसे करके शायद हम फेम पा सकते हैं, गलत करने से शायद आपको कुछ फायदा हो जाएगा.
शॉर्टकट्स आर नॉट गुड।
Yes, end में definitely it is going to be a big
Problem,
failure or a
yes,
problem for
yes.
you. So it's better to be always honest and good and be positive. That is what I strongly believe in.
चिकित्सा, आपकी बातों से ऐसा लगता है कि आप कामिकली कितने स्ट्रांगली बैक्ड है स्पिरिचुअलिटी से। सो क्या आप आर यू अ स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन?
Yes, definitely. I would not say कि since my childhood, but I think in the process of becoming a mother, everything like जैसे छोटी छोटी बातें, पेट में कुछ हो रहा है, टमी में ये हो रहा है, दोनों अंदर शायद फाइट कर रहे होंगे, ओ गॉड कहीं कुछ हो ना जाए, होप दे आर सेफ इनसाइड. So that is where the spirituality truly started within me कि नो, मैंने भगवान में faith रखा तो सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. So that is where positivity or your faith towards God or religion begins.
And also your intuition to make the right decisions.
Yes, yes, yes.
So have you passed on these lessons of spirituality to Krisha and Kahan?
Yes.
क्योंकि आजकल पेरेंट्स इतने बिजी हैं कि वो हमारी जो वैदिक नॉलेज है या स्पिरिचुअली थोड़ा मेडिटेशन हो गया, वो बच्चों को बताने के लिए उनके पास वक्त ही नहीं होता. सो कुछ बच्चे आर कम्प्लीटली ओब्लिवियस ऑफ द फैक्ट कि यू नो प्रे कैसे करते हैं. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कि मतलब क्या करने का. It is like that. So have you passed on your lessons of spirituality to Krisha and Kahan?
Yes, definitely, because we are Jains and in my entire friend circle and society, we have all the people from different community.
Yes.
The another thing, we are pure Jains, so we don't eat potato, onion, etc.
Yes.
So there comes the question why we are doing this,
Yes.
why we have to follow this,
Yes.
and why can't we eat or do things what
Others are doing. Yes.
So I never kept restrictions on them कि ये भगवान को नहीं मानना है, कि यहाँ पे नहीं जाना है, या you can't eat this. But this is what I explained to them, that this is the way we have been brought up. Then you have a right to choose. That what you want to follow definitely might be after 18 or so, when they actually understand the difference between true things or what is correct for them.
Yes, yes.
So definitely going to the temple, praying, everything is like a process where we are religiously following.
Yeah, I mean you are doing it, they are watching you. जब उनका मन करेगा तब वो they are definitely going to join you.
Yes. So initially I think they have been following just because I am
You were
telling
doing
them,
it, yes.
or I am doing it. Now might be they will understand and follow.
Yeah, इसकी importance
Yes.
पता चलने के बाद शायद वो खुद से इसमें interest ले.
Yes, true.
जिगिशा, मैंने आपसे कृष्णा कहान के बारे में इतना सुना है. I just want to meet them right now.
Definitely.
And they are here in the studio, and let's welcome them. Hi Krisha and Kahan, welcome to our show.
Hello.
So good. I remember Jigisha seeing them when they were babies, and look at these beautiful, gorgeous grown-up kids. So happy, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
जब मैं और ममा यहाँ पे बात कर रहे थे आप दोनों के बारे में, आप लोग वहाँ बैठकर सुन रहे थे, तो क्या लग रहा था आपको?
We were laughing the whole time.
Why? What was so funny about?
हमको ये सब stories नहीं बताई थी ना. We don't remember.
Really?
Doing all of this. So hearing this, it was fun.
But मम्मी ने जो stories बताई उससे मुझे ऐसे लगा कि आप दोनों का bond कितना strong है मम्मी के लिए. You care so much. Especially वो आपने सोचा एक ही दिन में सारे कपड़े धो लेंगी तो सारा टाइम फिर आपके साथ बिताएंगी, है ना? ऐसे और कुछ stories हैं जो आपको याद है, you two want to share with us?
I think one day the maid didn't come, so she had to mop the floor. तो हम तो छोटे थे, हम कुछ नहीं करे, तो उन्होंने ना पानी का bucket रखा था, and तभी doorbell बजा, तो she went to open the door and we kicked the bucket.
Okay.
So the whole house was full of water. So we thought कि जल्दी हो जाएगा.
जल्दी हो जाएगा. Kahan, are you a quiet kid? कि आप बोलते हैं कि कृषा इस सारा टॉकिंग करती है?
I do his share of
Yeah,
talk.
his share of talking too. You know, जब मैं पढ़ रही थी ट्विंस के बारे में, जैसे मैंने मम्मी को भी बताया कि you know, वूम में 14 वीक्स के बाद ट्विंस एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना शुरू हो जाते हैं. कहीं ना कहीं वो ये एक दूसरे को बताना चाहते हैं कि भाई हमें हर स्पेस में कोएग्जिस्ट करना है. So how do you share every space? Like आपको पता है कि you know, अभी तो now when you will grow up and you'll go to universities, क्या आप हर जगह साथ होंगे? Are your choices about food or about your clothes or about you know your study subjects सब same होता है?
Similar. Personality wise opposites.
Okay.
But I think subjects may, even the clothes, we are similar about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as other siblings, you know, जिनमें age gap होता है, क्या आपको लगता है कि that you are so blessed कि दोनों एक ही age group के हैं और आप कहीं भी जाएं तो आपको पता है कि you know मेरा कोई अपना है,
Sometimes
मेरे जैसा.
it's not nice.
No, why?
Because he is, you know, a good boy, very shy, doesn't do anything much. While I
You do the everything.
So you know he's always there. So we've been together everywhere. And even our friends, most of them are mutual. So we are always together and we fight a lot.
You do.
A lot. And then there are times जो automatically we unite. There's something, you know, a common ground. So तभी we are together.
And in your fights आपको अच्छा लगता है कि कोई interfere करे कि आपको लगता है कि हम अपना अपना
वो
करते हैं?
interfere करते तो सॉर्ट हो जाता है. We two come together.
So somewhere it is an instinct that you guys are born with कि you know कि अगर कोई आए तो हमें एक साथ हो जाना
हाँ,
है.
like
Somewhere you have
defend.
that.
Even बाहर अगर
Yes.
कुछ fight हुआ तो even if we think like different, we
That's a natural
defend.
instinct that you
Yeah.
are born with.
Yeah,
That we
so-
need to be together.
Yeah.
हमें एक हो जाना है. This is so beautiful, yeah. Also, statistics says that 40% of twins have their own secret language. ऐसा आप में है?
नहीं.
हाँ?
Secret language नहीं है.
नहीं, ऐसा कोई कोड होगा या साइन होगी या कुछ चीजें जो सिर्फ आप दोनों को समझ आती हैं when you are in a
हाँ,
crowd.
there are times like inside jokes होते हैं जो if it happens we are looking at each other and laughing.
Yeah, but does it happen that जब आप देखते हैं कहान को तभी कहान आपको देखता है, कभी ऐसे होता है ना?
बहुत बार होता है.
Yeah. And now that you guys are in teenage phase, कैसा लग रहा है? हाँ?
Complicated.
Complicated? Why?
Yeah, like sometimes we want our own space. We don't want to talk to anybody.
Yes.
And Tabhi
Mama
she
comes
comes
to talk.
and talks to us. Just don't want to talk. And then I think major mood swings.
Yeah.
So then I think after 5 minutes I myself go to her and be like, क्या था, क्या बात है.
You know, I'll tell you why that happens. It's because during teenage phase, ना teenagers feel कि हमें अपनी space चाहिए, हमें अब mothers को हमें ये बिल्कुल भी आदत नहीं है. हमें है कि सुबह जाना है, गले लगाना है, गाल ये करने हैं. So you know, पर समय teenage हम भूल जाते हैं कि बच्चे अब बड़े हो गए हैं और अब शायद उन्हें ऐसा स्कूल के गेट तक छोड़ने मत आओ. हाँ,
Yes.
मुझे फ्रेंड्स के सामने हग मत करो.
Yes,
हाँ,
very true.
मुझे फ्रेंड्स के सामने निकनेम से मत बुलाओ. सो ये सारी चीजें, लेकिन हम मदर्स को इंस्टिंक्टिवली वी गो एंड डू इट. सो शायद कहीं ना कहीं ये एक बैलेंस हमें करना हमारे लिए भी नया है. टीनेज फेज इज न्यू फॉर मदर्स ऑल्सो, फॉर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, एज मच एज न्यू इट इज फॉर द किड्स. So what is the first thing that came to your mind when you celebrated your 13th birthday? You were officially in your teens. आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना था टीनेजर बन के?
So there was nothing that I wanted to do particularly as a teenager. But I think it was more अभी से freedom आएगा,
कैसा freedom? Like ऐसा कौन सा
You have
freedom है
your,
जो-
now you think for your own. पहले it was mama's job to think and decide for us. Now you have to make your own decisions and just everything's your choice now.
Yeah.
You need to decide for
Yeah.
yourself. So I think that was one thing कि अभी सब it's me who's gonna.
And then have you all reserved something for 18? कि 13, 14 में सब कुछ my choice, my rules, my space.
And that was there कि I will decide for myself. I don't want anybody else. Even mama कभी कुछ होता है ना तो she's like I'll go or you don't say anything.
But I can see that Kahan is so quiet. Does he raise his voice about his own decisions and his own space, or you do all the talking for him as well?
We do everything same. Like if
Okay.
now if I'm going to study something, same just follows.
So you all get same marks?
Almost.
Are you serious?
Yeah, almost.
Wow.
But sometimes luck or maybe he studied more.
He studies
than I
more?
did. Sometimes like there's a subject he likes which I don't, or maybe he's free or something, and he plays a lot of games. So tabhi maybe I'm studying, or when I'm doing something else he studies.
So Kahan, now I want to hear your voice, and this question is only for you. You tell me, what is the pressure that is the first thing that a teenager feels when they are in that phase? ऐसा कौन सा प्रेशर है? क्या वो peer pressure है कि वो studies का pressure है, या pressure to do well?
Yeah, pressure to do well.
To do well in all
Studies,
aspects?
Yeah, in all aspects.
And then how do you deal with that pressure? Because हमेशा ये possible नहीं होता. So then how do you deal with it? You go and confide in Krisha, or you speak to mom, or you have your own ability कि मैं अपने आप से I can deal with my pressure.
Yeah, own ability.
ओन एबिलिटी. एंड आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो किस प्रकार का प्रेशर उन्हें लगता है कि वो आपसे बताते हैं कि वो किसी देयर इज समटाइम्स पीयर प्रेशर, वेयर yesterday I was talking to one teenager and there is pressure of posting the right picture on Instagram, otherwise you get bullied.
Yeah.
So ये getting bullied, ये प्रेशर है, या कुछ प्रेशर्स हैं ऐसे जो आपको लगता है कि along with freedom and space, like Krisha said कि once you are teenagers हमें ये मिलता है. क्या इसके साथ कोई और प्रेशर्स भी आते हैं जो आपके साथ डील करना पड़ता है?
No.
I must tell you, Jigisha, spiritually you have raised such beautiful children who have mind of their own and they do not feel any pressure. I mean, seriously.
I think that is the
You have, I think you have given them the right technique to cope with every adversity that they come across. I think that is the reason why both of them are, composed, and they know what they are doing and they know what they want in life.
I think 8th standard तक एग्जाम्स होते थे ना, तो
Correct.
एग्जाम देते वक्त my friends would be like अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए ना तो घर पे जाके we are like gone.
हाँ.
While mama never said anything like that to us. She was like, score, if you've studied you're gonna score utna marks. While others are like, we are gonna get scolded for this and stuff. I think 10th में थोड़ा it started to score good marks and
Yeah.
all. But until then, she was never pressurizing us or telling us कि you know उसको इतना आ रहा है and you are not scoring well.
So mama not exerting pressure on both of you all. Do you all take it for granted sometimes? Or do you take it in the right faith?
I think in the right way.
Okay.
Then 10th way she started, you know.
But that is
pushing us.
necessary.
Yeah, for our own good. कि
For your
अभी
own
you
good.
need to get serious and
Okay.
yeah.
So I heard only mama in the entire conversation. So what does dada do?
He listens to mama.
He listens to mama. So do you have a good cop, bad cop, or both are good cops?
There are things which mama supports us and we need to go against papa, and there are things which papa supports us and we need to go against mama.
Yeah.
So I think manipulating.
Is the daddy's part. They manipulate daddy.
Yeah.
So Kahan and Krisha have been brought up in a joint family setup. So do you think you are blessed to have Tata Dadi in the house and everybody? You've been in a good close family unit.
Yeah.
So not many kids have that. They are in nuclear families like mother, father, child. But Tata Dadi के या नाना नानी के पास होने से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Do you feel more loved? Oh, you don't stay with the Dada.
Initially when
Because you were.
yeah, we were till they were I think 2.
Okay.
Till the age they were 2, we used to be in the joint family,
Okay.
and then gradually we came into nuclear family. But then again, it's the same society, so the interaction,
Yes,
the
yes.
bonding remains the same.
Okay. Sorry, I was under the impression that Dada Dadi still stay with
But I
you.
think this is more different. Like you don't get any comments from them or you know about things, and सिर्फ mama papa है
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so we have our own 4 thing,
Yeah.
4 people thing.
Yeah.
Where we have our moments and stuff.
Great. So Kahan, I still did not hear from you. Okay, 2 sentences you gave me in the entire footage. Never mind. So now we have 5 questions and I'm going to ask Kahan and Krisha. We have our digital pads over here. So I'll be asking you questions and you both have to write answers, and let's see if your answers are similar, or do you like twins, you are really think on the same page. Let me just test you guys. So yeah, you can pick up your pads, and the moment you write, you want to erase it, you just
Yeah.
press the delete button. So Kahan has to write Krisha's favorite book and Krisha has to write Kahan's favorite book.
Doesn't read a book. And he doesn't know about the books I read.
What book she reads, Kahan?
I love.
What kind of books you read?
I read teenage fictional books.
Okay. Never mind, I have lots of questions. So, what is that one secret signal that you all have when you are in a group and probably you just want to communicate with each other without words?
Should I write it down?
Yeah. Kahan is lefty.
Yeah.
Both are lefty?
No.
One is righty, one is lefty. What's that one signal, Kahan? Tell us what you've written.
I don't text each other. We would usually just message each other.
This is clearly a technology game.
I'd be like, Kahan, this is happening. So
Yeah.
Something about
But this eye contact, even I have
Yeah.
observed that many times, even when we want to decide to go for a movie या आज क्या order करना है, तो that eye contact really works.
Yeah?
And it's difficult to understand.
Yeah.
कि हाँ था कि ना था.
Okay, moving on to the next question. What's mom's favorite dessert? Kahan, are you serious? He's still struggling.
Ice cream.
Nah, ice cream.
Yeah? Which flavor?
But
You don't have to say.
Kahan, yeah. So which flavor were you?
I was gonna write that.
Okay.
So they know something about me.
Yeah. So what is that one cherished item that you guys have since childhood? That one item that usually takes you down the memory lane. That one item that we always have. काहीच ठेवलं नाहीये?
नहीं.
है.
Oh, that's her department.
Are you? Take both the slates and write down there. So what's the childhood cherished item that you have?
It's a sweet that we make in our Gujarati family, and that is gold papdi.
Okay. Oh
Which,
yes.
Everywhere, like ever since their childhood, that was the thing कि अगर भूख लगी and I feed them immediately. they are fine, they are happy.
Yeah.
And even right now, if I'm going to cook it, because of the fragrance smell, then immediately they come in the kitchen ki, aaj gol papdi ban rahi hai, and they are very fond of it.
Yeah, no, I totally relate to this gold papdi, and it is an amazing thing. So I'll tell you one thing, my brother-in-law is abroad, and whenever we travel, his mother packs nothing, he's a Gujarati, packs nothing but 2 dabbas of gold papdi. And that is something that he needs in breakfast. So I can totally associate with gold papdi that you're saying. Okay, last, who's daddy's pet and who's mama's pet? Who's daddy's pet?
I
Nisha.
am, and he is mama's boy.
Yeah?
Yeah. He needs that comfort from her, you know,
Yeah.
rather than anybody else. And while me and Papa get together and harass him or her. So,
How much are you guys in tune with the current news? I mean, how about your reading habits? Reading newspapers, staying current with today's news, and does a teenager feel a need to be in tune with the political happenings of the
I
country,
not
the climate
much.
change happening?
There are people, I think, who, go through a lot of that, but not. In fact, we have more information about what's happening, in Hollywood or movies
Yes,
or all
yes.
of those. But I don't think politics.
What is Kris Jenner doing?
Right.
है ना? What is that? So वही है.
So they're
Correct,
not
correct.
fond of the old songs also, they have their particular choice
Yes,
of songs.
yes.
And she doesn't like it.
Yeah, even I don't like it.
I feel too negative, the black background and the songs and the makeup.
Blackpink
all.
and BTS.
Yeah, no, not Korean, but any in whatever we listen to, she one day we were not. At
But do you
home.
know these teenagers have their own armies?
Fandom, yeah.
Fandom. Are you aware of this?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
teenagers have their own fandom. So if they belong to Blackpink, then the BTS will have problem with them.
There's a One Direction.
Yeah, One Direction और मतलब ये सब अपने अपने
It's
zone
a
में.
fight among
Yeah.
this one's more.
So that is also one pressure to be in which fandom.
Yeah. I have a very, I don't know, is it funny or not, but they are so fond of those songs, and I have my personal dislike. And whenever I used to see their friends, even my students would have a liking for those
Yes.
songs. I made sure, I think on 34 hours or something, I made sure that I hear all the songs. But I was not happy after hearing all of them. After 4-5 hours, I was like, I give up. I really don't understand what happiness
She
you get
spent
out of
4
it.
hours trying to,
Yes, because we discussed in the beginning of this episode where she said that it is necessary to bridge the gap. Okay,
Yeah.
if we are giving you something from our times, we also want to connect with something from your times. You know, so I think she made an effort, and I really like her for that, because Jigisha always makes an effort to understand that इसमें इतना क्या है. Let me try a hand at it.
So 2 songs
So-
if I hear with them, they have to hear 2
Yeah.
songs of my choice.
Oh, you have that rule
Yes.
also.
Yes,
I think during
yes.
lockdown, the most she has made us watch all of her old movies and the songs were good. I'd say. I didn't.
But lockdown was a good time for me, Jigisha.
Yes.
Like you, I made my daughter watch all the Maito series during
Yeah.
our times,
Yes.
wala. And
Those were the
yes,
days, and I was
yes.
so happy.
Yes.
कि this is the total family time we are
Yes,
having together, enjoying that.
वरना ये
together.
होता ही नहीं।
नहीं होता है.
I think सबसे ज्यादा फैमिली की बॉन्डिंग मतलब कोविड ने अगर कुछ एक
Yes,
अच्छा काम
positive
किया तो वो
चीज।
है कि हम सबको साथ में रखकर एक अच्छी बॉन्डिंग बना दी. On that note, guys, it was lovely talking to you all. I mean, such an amazing thing. पहली बार हमारे स्टूडियो में 3 chairs लगी हैं, and we are so happy about it. Thank you for coming, Kahan and Krisha. And Jigisha, it's heartwarming to see such lovely, you brought up these individuals so well, and they are all ready to be global citizens.
And I would like to thank you also for such a wonderful show, wherein we come to know about each other, about the
Yes,
teenage,
the parenting styles
yes,
and patterns.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes we come across the mistakes that we might be doing, and listening to somebody, we might get the solutions for it. शायद हम अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करें, शायद हम अपनी थोड़ी स्टाइल चेंज करें, शायद बच्चे सुने तो उन्हें भी समझे, जैसे आपका बॉन्डिंग था कि ज़रूरी नहीं कि ज़रूरी है कि माँ बाप बच्चों के लिए सोचे, लेकिन बच्चों का भी काम है कि वो भी अपने माँ बाप के लिए सोचे.
Yes, yes.
So
So
I
life
think
is all about learning.
learning.
And your show is really wonderful. I think many of us, including the kids and the parents, are going to learn a lot.
Yeah, thank you for your kind wishes. And on that note, so go green. Here's a little memento from me and my team at In Our Teens. Jikisha,
Thank you so much.
thank you guys for coming and gracing these wonderful chairs and telling us about your thoughts on teenage parenting. Twins are miracles who come in pairs. Twins एक दूसरे के बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं और आज ये केमिस्ट्री हमें आज यहाँ लाइव देखने को मिली है. Such an amazing episode today. On that note, signing off from today's episode. लेकिन मिलेंगे हम अगले एपिसोड में. Till then, please like, share and subscribe to In Our Teens. Thank you.